Welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. World 100-meter champion Oblique Seville has joined the race to assist those severely impacted by the passage of Hurricane Melissa. He has targeted one specific industry which holds personal significance.
The former Calabar High standout is not only quick out of the blocks, but will also quickly remind everyone of his rural upbringing. Originally from the parish of St. Thomas, he attended Homewood Technical before transferring to Calabar, where he won the Class 1 100 meters title in 2019. Seville was quick to point out that he attributed his success to his early days in rural Jamaica and specifically farming. As such, on Tuesday, he partnered with the United Way of Jamaica and the Jamaica Agriculture Society to the tune of $500,000. Seville outlined why he chose to help in this particular area.
Agriculture is what I brought up with, and for me, with my parents and everything, it's what actually built me, and I see how hard it is with agriculture, and sometimes farmers lose their crops. So for me to give back is something special for me to give back to the farmers. And for me, as I said, agriculture is what made me. And when I saw how hard it is for my parents to go through and the stuff that they are doing to bring back agriculture, it's hard. So for me to give back is something special in my heart for them.
Seville was elated that he was able to contribute to the relief efforts.
Yes, of course, because you know that for an athlete, our nutrition has to be our nutrition has to be well up to par. And for me now, as I said, agriculture is what brought me. And for me, again, I'm so glad to give back to the community and to give back to my country with agriculture.
First, Vice President of the Jamaica Athletics Administrative Association, Ian Forbes, expressed his delight with Seville's contribution.
Extremely important. I mean, winning on the track is good, but winning off the track as well is excellent as well. And he has shown that he's not only one on the track, but off the track as well. In a time of crisis, stepping up and literally putting his money where his mouth is.
Meanwhile, Chairman of the United Way of Jamaica, Dr. Devon Smith, was grateful for Seville's initiative.
Humble beginning in the agricultural sector. The value moving forward. It is very important that not only the corporate sectors, but we need to ensure that individuals to participate, and Oblique Seville really led from the front where that is concerned. So I am truly heartened for his participation with the United Way of Jamaica.
Now, Seville's donation will benefit farmers in the western parishes which suffered the most significant damage from the passage of Hurricane Melissa 2 weeks ago. Garfield Jones reporting for TVJ Sports.